Ever wonder about what's going on inside your pet? Well, same. So today we're doing a quick swab with Pawomix to find out a little bit about Ollie and Winnie's gut and skin microbiomes. This test is actually developed by Canadian veterinary scientists, and it's a simple do-it-yourself kit that you complete and mail in for results. The kit has everything you need, including the QR code that you scan to activate your kit with the alphanumeric number located on the side. And this test is actually a saliva collection, so we'll just try to do the best swab that we can. I was able to get a really good sample from Winnie, but Ollie was scared of it, so we'll see how that goes. Tried to do a good 15 turns inside Winnie's cheek there. So then we pop the swabs into the vial, both vials go into the little baggie, and then we mail that back to Pawomix with their prepaid label, and we wait. Ollie has always had gut issues since he was a pup, and even to this day, soft stools and vomiting still happen. Winnie has also had some skin irritation issues last year, so I'm interested to see what their results will tell us. We'll be getting the results back in a couple weeks, so stay tuned for part 2.